CIPD meeting where all the state presidents came today, we have taken a decision since our HSD and MS commission issue has been hanging for a long time and it is getting delayed, which is based on the cost structure plus the price structure. We had to take a decision, which is a very unpleasant one, but there was no other choice. So we have taken a decision that on the 22nd and 23rd, the entire country's dealers will keep their lights off, but we do not want to inconvenience the general public. So petrol, diesel will be delivered, but lights will not be opened for 22nd and 23rd. And even after that, if the government is not going to address to our problem and announce the revision, which is long overdue, then on the 24th, one-day strike is declared.